3.74 crore students or 37.4 million students who are currently pursuing their graduate and postgraduate studies in India. Out of these, about 85 lakh or 8.5 million students will graduate this year and enter the workforce. Now, according to the India Skills Report 2021, the current youth employability index stands at about 45.9%, which essentially implies that 45.9% of the students have some amount of employability skills for them to be able to get a job, uh, which also implies that about 54% of the youth does not have the required skill sets. And this is essentially because of certain things which are not taught to us in our schools and colleges. Hi, my name is Varun, and I've instructed 3,000 plus students in bridging the employability skill set gap via a simple 7 step methodology, which I will take you through during the workshop. What this will essentially do for you is provide you with a career roadmap, which will help you plan and navigate your career as you go along. This will open up new job options and opportunities for you. What this will also do is provide you with certain tips, tricks, and resources and free resources which will help you upskill yourself and attack the recruitment process, thereby leading to uh, almost doubling of the number of job offers that you get, hopefully, and a massive jump in your starting package, which has a huge, huge impact in the long term prospects for your career. I'll be delighted to add this value to you and look forward to seeing you in the workshop. Take care now.